What is secularism? Secular society is defined as a society which is free of religious rule and teachings. According to secularism, no religious community is allowed to rule over any other community. Fights between followers of different religion is widespread all over the world. For examples, religious fundamentalism in Pakistan since 1947, in Bangladesh after 1975, in Iran and Middle East, Jewish fundamentalism in Israel, Buddhist fundamentalism in Sri Lanka. Religious fundamentalism is defined as relentless adherence to beliefs of a certain religion, and this often gives rise to fights with other religious groups. A society is called secular when different group of people within the same religious community have fair equality. Inequality among same religious groups are very common. For example, Shah Bano case. According to Muslim law, women have minimal rights. Lawsuit under Indian legislature was filed by Shah Bano, 62-year-old separated lady, in order to acquire money from her husband after separation. The Supreme Court decided in her favor, but orthodox Muslim leaders forced the government to pass a law reversing the order of the Supreme Court. This decision empowered the Muslims to keep suppressing women. Dalits have been victims of discrimination by the upper caste from a very long time, even though they are one of the most socially backward section in Hindu society. Another characteristic of a secular society is to permit the atheists, persons who lack belief in existence of God, to be a part of the society. In a secular society, religion should be restricted to an individual's personal life only. Religion and politics should never be mixed.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.